Chocolate clock.
Ow.
Chocolate clock. Chocolate clock.
You gotta get in. Ding dong.
Chocolate clock.
Ready? Start the vlog by saying worm.
Warm. Let's go.
Gotta pick. Yo, I ain't even gonna hold you. It's lit. Alright, Gio, say what's up.
Yo,
I'm gonna take some. Look at the cars, yo. Yo, say what's up. I'm just gonna piss real quick. Yo. Car show, let's see. Why'd you need? Damn, they got crazy. Oh! See, vetted. Yo, this is valid though. I'm not gonna lie.
I think this guy has the Lamborghini doors on here.
Lamborghini doors? Damn. Converted. Damn, look at the rims. Yo, this is tough. Nah, this is tough, I'm not gonna lie. You got it, game. You got it. You got it. You know what I mean? That's tough. They got the thing. Oh, this is tough. Look. Honda, Toyota, Honda. Oh, SRT Pikachu. Nah, this is tough though, I'm not gonna lie. This is dead tough though.
Pikachu. It's always a Pikachu.
Right? How do you got a bike on this? Stadium big as
Excited by
You said what? Okay. Damn, this is tough. This yours? Tight. Now these cars is lit though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. PR. Oh damn, it's like a jelly bean. Oh, they got the RBG. I meant the RBG lights. Glowing up. Carbon fiber. This is tough. Nah, this dead tough though, I'm not gonna lie. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't even gonna hold you. Yo. Yo. Valid. This your car, sir? Your car? This is nice. What?
Wait, I was just saying. I said it's in the process of doing too.
Really?
Yeah, so I'm still working on different maps.
What car is this? What car?
I like it though. This is nice. I like all the cars.
What car is this? A Nissan?
Looks like it's got a little.
Duo. Double trouble. Right? This is tough though. Huh?
Where do you just go?
Oh.
Oh, right.
My fault. My fault. This is valid. What's up, dude? What's up, Tim?
I thought I saw it.
Pause. The line is freezing. So, Jim, who do you think we about to see? We about to see somebody crazy. We about to see somebody crazy. Imagine we see Ronaldo. Alright, I'ma just record when something happened, alright? I'm gonna stop recording, y'all. This might be a person, a big guy, you feel me? So my boy.
I said the power. What's it?
Jeremiah. What's your name? Z? Nice to meet you.
Jacob. Jacob? I'm Jacob.
Yes, sir, nice to meet you.
What the fuck is
Watch
that?
out. That's valid though. Wait, who, you know him? Huh?
That sounds nice. Sounds nice.
Valid.
Can you rev it real
Tough.
quick? I got a video.
Can you rev it, rev it? Pop, pop, pop.
Didn't break it long enough.
Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop. Valid. Nah, this is a nice car though. This is valid. Well, I like this. Oh, the window just rolled down. Got the carbon fiber. Mind you, I know nothing about cars at all.
Yeah, yes sir.
You got a lot of exhaust?
He
Let's
says
see.
Cadillac. Of course it's loud.
Rev it. Rev it. Rev it for me. Let me get it. Let me get it. Ba, ba, ba.
It's actually loud.
All right, bet. Let's hear it.
Oh Jesus Christ.
Oh, damn. With the exhaust?
Hey, your 328 is ass. It's quiet. I like that though. You got it, Tom?
All right, Jeff, do you know anything about cars? Yes. That thing loud.
Firecracker.
No, bombs. Nigga. That's tough. That's tough. That's tough. Nice. Good car. Good car. Valid. Stamp. You feel what I'm saying?
Are you gonna get the same? Are you gonna get the same?
We in New Jersey right now. It's like a car show, and it's the Dominican parade. So it's like two things going on in New Jersey and Manhattan. So we lit. Right, Joe? We lit. Look at the hair, Joker. Should I dye my hair, y'all? Let me know. Let me know. We got our tickets. Can I get a hee? Yes?
Yeah, look. Where's the
Y'all look so nice, y'all.
picture? Oh, I'll be right back.
All right, bet. Hold on, let me go. I gotta use the bathroom too. I'm not even gonna lie. I did gotta use it. Flip. Oh, it is a soccer field. It is soccer field.
If someone's in there, okay. All the bathrooms are being used.
Oh, Jenga, Jacob, you wanna play Jenga? Oh, they just got up. Jenga. Yo, we in the bathroom right now getting turned up. You feel what I'm saying? Gonna have a good time. Who this? Look at him. Joker. Hey, quiet man. What? Subscribe. I'm coming. Yo, what the flip? It's valid, right? This is crazy. Oh, this got comics on it. Oh yeah, this definitely. This is it. Yeah, this one go in. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this one definitely go in. This one definitely go in. God is good all the time. This one, that one go in. That card go in. That card go in. No, that one. Huh? You got Mortal Kombat? What? Right here, this is the Mortal Kombat inspired.
It's at 1 o'clock. What time is it?
Huh?
What time is it?
What time is it?
Shot o'clock. Wait, let me see. What time is it?
Shock o'clock.
Shot o'clock.
Oh, what time is it, Jacob? My fault. Let's go. Which one you think will win? Why got an actual clear? You got a clear
Clear hood.
clear hood. Ronaldo. Suey. Suey. My dude is sleeping. Where? My boy's sleeping. My boy's slumped. Should we wake him up?
Hey, Dad. Yeah, what?
So, this your car?
Yes, sir.
Nice car, bro.
Sick, dude.
Sick. Sick car.
Sleeping.
Ronaldo. This is tough. Oh, they got the Mets on it too? Oh, they got the stat. Yo, they got everything.
I like it, though.
This engine is clean as. Everything is new, dude. Everything is new. Yeah, you can eat food on this. You can dead eat food on this. Look, there's nothing. Like, there's nothing. Nothing. Mad clean. Oh my gosh. Yo. This is valid. Hold on. Okay. Clean interior. Okay. No hood. Instant red flag. Yo. Civic.
What the hell?
What the hell?
No way.
What the shadow clock? It's shot
Oh my
clock.
God. That's a complete car. I've seen it before.
Carbon fiber.
Not before. Dad, what do you think about this?
Yo, why do you look like that?
That must be the nicest Emperor I've ever seen.
Taka. This is valid. Oh, this is valid. This is valid. This one, stars. Oh, I got the stars on the roof. Jacob, look, Jacob, I got the stars. Whoa, this is valid. Yo, this is valid, y'all, valid.
This one, Matthew.
Huh?
Matthew.
Hey. Yo, I wish if I had my tripod. Yo, I'm starting now bringing my tripod everywhere I go. It's like I'm tired of holding my phone. I need all this. And my mic. I need my mic too. I gotta get a mic, y'all. I'm gonna get a mic and a tripod, alright? Here's Corey Kenshin. Corey Kenshin, y'all. Corey Kenshin.
I don't know just yet because I just.
This is tough.
So about 2 weeks I'm gonna do it.
It's Paul
Look,
Walker's
y'all.
car.
Paul Walker's car.
It's like Paul Walker's car.
It is? Yo, this is tough.
Sorry. Is this supposed to be based on Paul Walker?
No, it's not. It's just a samurai. I just.
Corey Kenshin.
I just thought it's a Japanese car.
You
so
look
I
a little
just-
bit like Travis Scott.
Yo, he's talking, man.
Oh, my
It's,
fault,
it's
my
okay, it's
fault.
okay, brother. I just thought it as a Japanese car. I just went with a Japanese theme on it.
I love it, dude. What do you got? Is it engine stock?
No, engine is not stock. It's completely completely done.
Is it loud at all? Like,
Yes.
Oh, this is tough. You got a PS5? Yo, they got a whole PS5 in there. Nah, this got it. This got it, gang. It smells like gas, but this is tough. This is tough. Panda. This is tough, right? It's tough. It's tough. We got Goku back here. Oh my gosh. LB. This is valid. It's valid, right? It's valid. Mold wraps. Yo. What's up? Is your car right here? Valid, valid. What is it? What car? M4? BMW? That's tough. Competition? That's valid. Yo, I gotta start getting myself into known cars, bro. Yo, this shit is low. What the fuck? It's mad low. Suki. Oh, this is valid. Why is it so low? Look, yo. Not even a finger. Look, my finger can't even reach it. Look. It can't even fit my finger. It's so low, yo. Nah, I don't know how they made it here, because one bump is done. One bump is done, gang. Alright, this is my type of car. Zaddy. 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 Yo. Punisher. Oh my gosh. Yo, this is valid. This is exquisite. Exquisite car. Exquisite. Yo, everything is Punisher. Everything is Punisher, y'all. And he got the roof. Oh my god. Everything is Punisher, this whole car. Everything, even the hood. There's so many good cars, you can't just pick one. Hype House State. Let's see, yo, what type of car, yo, why is this here? Why is this car here? I mean, it is clean though. I can't lie. It is clean. That car is clean though, right? Clean car.
I don't know if I've ever seen one in my real life.
I've never even seen that. Carbon. It's valid. So,
The trunk is right there. That's mine.
trunk is open, open. Yo. Alright, this is valid. This one is tough. Feel me? Feel me? Feel me? Woo! The white rims. The white rims. The white rims, y'all. Say what's up. Let me say what's up. I can say what's up. Yo. Hospital bed. Sonic. Yo, this is tough. Nice car, bro. Nice car. Sonic. Paul Walker. Oh, actually for real. Rest in peace. Oh, damn. Xbox? Yo, this is tough. Nice car, nice car. Dude, I almost had you. Paul Walker. Rest in peace. That's nice. Clover.
No, this.
Green Goblin. Oh. Look, y'all. Oh, yeah, this one. All right, you got it, gang. You got it. You got it. You won. You won. You won. You got it. Yeah. Oh, you got it. By the way. Oh. Nah, you got it, gang. You got it. Hey, you got it. You got it. You won. You won. You got it. Yes, you got the switch in the back. Switch. Oh, you got the surround.
They have their car inside of a car.
They got a car inside of a car.
Of their own
and
car.
a train. All right, you got it. You got it. You got it, bro. Dab me up. Dab me up. You got it. You got it. Tough. The wheels are lopsided. Yo, Jacob. Yo, something's backrooms. What the? Yo, what the fuck, yo? Yo, what is this? What is this, Jacob?
No, people drive it.
They could drive that?
Yeah. So the new drawing said he puts his feet all the way to the front. The motor's in the back.
Oh,
I see how he built it.
that's tough. Oh, listen, expensive. Cars like Lamborghini. I didn't pull up in that Lambo. Cardi Flame, Gucci Flan, no. Yo, this is so tough. So tough, Brody. Let's go out. Uh-oh, this is where the big cars are out. Let's go outside. You ready, sir? You ready?
No.
Let's go. Nah, this. I can't hear nothing right now. Alright, y'all. Let's see until something happens. I'm gonna start recording. Hey. Bro's on his hands and knees.
I'm trying to find the pedal. 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 I'm trying to find the pedal.
The pedal is right here. This is the pedal. That's the gear shifter. I think obviously has to drive. That might be the pedal. That's a gear shifter. That's the pedal. That's a gear shifter. Pedal. Look at the exhaust pipes. Yo, just put a Skittle down there. It's gonna ruin the whole car. No, this is mine right here, bro. I don't take the wheels off my leg. Hey.
Yo, they got guns in here. They got a TV. They got everything in here, y'all. What the flip? Film me. 2, 1, now record. That's what we gotta do. Wait, ready? And then last thing.
Yo, let me take a picture of these cars.
Take a picture. A video. Go back. Video pic. Jacob. Step 1, step 2, do my dance in this
Right here.
Tough car. Tough. Nice cars, right? Yeah. Nah. Car limbo, they about to do that. Huh?
That's what we're getting right there.
You getting that car? This one?
Yeah.
That's tough.
That's a
tough,
fit.
buddy.
That's a fit.
Car limbo. Oh, that's tough. The back of these cars, the one, that little car.
How does gotta do it, Star?
That car can't fit. Oh, nah. Oh, nah.
It went all the way down.
Bing bong.
Culture.
Hey. Let me see some. Cuzzo. Yeah. It's tough. Yo, why is it so tough?
I know.
So tough. Look at the lineup, y'all. Look at the lineup. It's like the Avengers. Y'all think these are rentals? You think it's a rental? No way they own these cars. Clean culture. I guess we know who's gonna win the limbo competition. Bro thinks he's the main character. Yeah, he's definitely winning. Hey. Look at him. I know you're not.
I know your back hurts.
I know your back hurt. I know your back hurting. Yeah, he winning. He winning. Let's go. Oh, snappy. Oh, snappy. Oh. Look at it, poking his head out. Ormayon.
Bring it through.
Bring it through. Oh, snap.
Bring that on through. All right, now.
Hey. Tough, right?
Yo, now, let the vets in. Let the vets in. We gotta drop it one though.
That was tough, Brody. Yo, they got People in the trunk. There's people in the trunk.
And you know how we end off our videos. Worm.